So this is going to go into the overpressure and blowdown. So these are the nice curves that you liked earlier. It just gives information on the curve and how a valve is supposed to act in proper operation. Overpressure and blowdown is also explained by ASME and the other governing agencies of safety equipment. So each of the governing agencies on the left has different requirements. But what Laser tries to do is take all of these governing agencies worldwide and design the valve, and also Laser has they take into consideration all of the rules, and they take the most strict rules and they kind of make their own rule that abides by everything globally, so that you guys can be assured that the valve's going to function properly in every application. And it's going to meet the criteria of local governments or local governing agencies. And see here, there's a gauge of what each of the governing agencies says. So we set valves. We only sell ASME Section 8 valves. Section 1 valves are for steam boilers. Division 1 valve or Section 1 valve you can put on a boiler. Ours we shouldn't, according to ASME. And then there's some other ones, API, ISO. They all say different things, but what we do is we take all those into consideration and make our own Laser rule that we follow. For liquids, again, all the governing agencies say this should be the curve that's allowed. Maximum allowable working pressure is the maximum pressure that's allowed in your system. So basically that's going to be any component that has the smallest pressure rating would be probably your maximum operating or maximum allowable working pressure. And it's just explained here by the different governing agencies again. They tell you how the curve should go and not to exceed a certain percentage of the set pressure before the valve completely opens and relieves whatever your system can push through. So that's an important thing when you size a valve or when you select a valve, that it discharges anything that's that can be pushed through that valve. So if a pump can pump 100 gallons a minute or whatever of liquid, the valve should be able to at least relieve that capacity.